Now we are going to talk about the Restore Hidden Element script. This script helps me identify all the elements that are hidden in the view I currently have open. It also allows me to unhide all of them at once, or select specific elements and unhide only those elements. Instead of searching manually for the hidden elements, I can easily see all the elements that are currently hidden. As we can see here, this list displays all the hidden elements, their categories, and their element IDs. Also, while the script is open, if I hide another element, I can click Refresh. The new door that I just hid will then appear in the list. I can use Check All and then click on Hide. Or I can use Check None and select only specific elements that I want to unhide. Here, the tool tells me that it restored 2 elements, which are the 2 elements that I selected. Alternatively, I can use Check All and click on Hide. The tool will restore all the elements that were hidden, which in this case are 13 elements. It will also display a message telling me that no hidden elements were found.